Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a three-dimensional website in Canva. We will explore Canva's powerful design tools to create stunning visual depth. You'll learn to leverage built-in three-dimensional elements, apply clever shadow techniques, and master layering for an immersive online presence. Get ready to transform your two-dimensional designs into captivating, dynamic web experiences. Canva offers a vast collection of three-dimensional graphics and stickers. Simply type 3D into the Elements search bar to discover a world of options. You can effortlessly drag and drop these pre-designed objects onto your canvas. Remember to adjust their size and position carefully to create a balanced and visually appealing composition, making your design truly pop with depth. To truly achieve a three-dimensional feel, master the art of shadows. Apply subtle drop shadows to text and graphics, giving them lift from the background. Experiment with duplicating elements and slightly offsetting them to create a layered, stacked effect. Additionally, leverage transparency and color gradients to add further dimension, making objects appear to recede or advance on your page. Bringing it all together, combine various three-dimensional elements and techniques on a single page. Maintain consistent lighting and perspective across all your assets to achieve a realistic and cohesive scene. Once your captivating design is complete, export it in a high-quality format suitable for your chosen website platform. This approach helps you create a truly immersive and dynamic online experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.